Today I am going to talk about the composition of soaps. So, the soaps are basically sodium or potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids. Soaps are molecules with two ends having different properties. One of the ends is hydrophilic and the other is hydrophobic. The hydrophilic end dissolves in water while the hydrophobic end dissolves in hydrocarbons. When the soap is at the surface of water, the hydrophobic tail of the soap will not be soluble in water. It will align along the surface of water with ionic end in water and the hydrocarbon tail protruding out of the water. Since the carbon chain interacts with oil, soap molecules thus form structures called micelles. The formation of micelles is basically the formation of a cluster of the hydrophobic tails and the ionic ends. The ionic ends are on the surface of the cluster, while the hydrophobic tails are in the interior of the cluster and hold the oily dirt. Soap, in the form of a micelle, is able to clean, since the oily dirt will be collected in the center of the micelle. The micelles stay in the solution as a colloid and will not come together to precipitate because of ion-ion repulsion. Thus, the dirt is suspended in the micelles is also easily rinsed away. This is what a coronavirus looks like. It is a bit of material surrounded by coating of proteins and fats. Viruses easily stick to places like your hands, but when you rinse your hands with just water, it rushes right over the virus. That's because the layer of fat makes the virus behave kind of like a drop of oil. But when you wash your hands with soap, something different happens. Let's see what. When the virus interacts with soap, the fat gets pulled out by the soap. Soap literally pulls apart and demolishes the virus by pulling out the fat from the virus and just breaking it all. But it takes time for this effect to happen. To be specific, it takes around 20 seconds. And 20 seconds is good enough to completely destroy the coronavirus. Hence, we must wash our hands during COVID time with soap as we saw how well it works against the virus. Thank you for watching.